Calabash Lakes is a D.R. Horton community with both resale and new construction homes available. Located in Carolina Shores, North Carolina, this community offers single-family residences as well as townhomes. The clubhouse includes an exercise and fitness room, pool table, and a lounge area. The tennis courts and pool are available for both members and their guests. Since lawn care is included as part of the HOA, you will have plenty of time to golf in many of the golf courses right around the corner. If you would like more information, please contact me at 843-742-7149. Thanks for coming on a ride through Calabash Lakes. See you next time.